everyone, my name is Annalise Cruz and I am a member of the Carrizo Springs High School National Honor Society. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a banana smoothie. So first I will be showing the ingredients needed. You are going to need 1 banana, 1 1/4 cup of ice, 1 1/4 cup of milk, and this smoothie mix. You can find this at your local HEB. So the items you'll be needing to make this smoothie are a cup to pour your smoothie in and a blender. First, we are going to pour the 1 1/4 cup of ice into the blender. We are going to pour the 1 1/4 cup of milk into the blender. Next, you're going to slice and peel your banana. Peeled and sliced, you are going to toss them into the blender. Last, you are going to put your lid on your blender and blend it all together. When you're done blending your smoothie, you are going to pour it into your cup. Now let's taste our smoothie. I hope y'all enjoyed learning how to make a banana smoothie. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and spread kindness.